Step by Step French Part 13. Dear friends, kindly watch the previous videos in order to really benefit from these lessons. Let's get started. The English word so to indicate so much quantity. The same word so in French, it is said as si, S-I-C. How do you say now in French? It is so good. It is so good. C'est si bon. C'est si bon. Now notice very carefully the word, English word if will also be called as si in French. For the word if also we use the word si, S-I-C. Now think and say very carefully, how do you say in French, if it is so good? If it is so good. Si, c'est si bon. Si, c'est si bon. How do you say now? I would like to know if it is so good. I would like to know if it is so good. Pause for a while, think and give your answer. Je voudrais savoir si c'est si bon. Je voudrais savoir si c'est si bon. The word why, the question word why in French, it is called pourquoi. 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 Now, how do you say, I would like to know why it is so good? I would like to know why it is so good. Je voudrais savoir pourquoi c'est si bon. Je voudrais savoir pourquoi c'est si bon. Now, how do you say, you can also pause in between this video to give your answers. How do you say, I would like to know where you are going? I would like to know where you are going. Je voudrais savoir où vous allez. Je voudrais savoir où vous allez. How do you say in French, I would like to know where you are going to have dinner tonight? Think, you know the answer if you have already followed the previous videos. It is constructed step by step. I hope you can give the answer. Je voudrais savoir où vous allez dîner ce soir. Je voudrais savoir où vous allez dîner ce soir. The word port or harbor in French, it is called port. We don't pronounce the T. We just say port. The word airport in French, it is called aéroport. Aéroport. The word the door in French, it is called la porte. La porte. Merci, thank you, ధన్యవాదములు.